Interface solutions test and measure the performance of all types of machines, from heavy-duty extraction equipment to tiny gadgets on robotic arms. Machine builders turn to interface for the most precise and high-quality sensors for accurate data and device durability. Machine builders are the backbone of product development and production. Responsibilities of machine builders generally include defining machine requirements and use cases, creating technical specifications and drawings, selecting materials and components, building and testing machines, and installing and maintaining machines. The specific responsibilities of a machine builder vary depending on the size and complexity of the machines they build and the use case of the machine. Depending on the industry and application, machine builders provide systems and machinery to meet specific production and operational requirements. These machines can be used for tooling, assembly, press operations, automated guides, and even cobots. Engineers involved in the design and manufacturing of these machines require the highest quality sensors, tools, and equipment. Interface supplies machine builders with precision load cells, torque transducers, instrumentation, data acquisition devices, and accessories. They lean on Interface because of our experience in supplying the world's solutions utilized for industrial product testing and production across all kinds of industries, from agricultural machinery to medical testing machines. Machine builders turn to Interface for solutions that support Industry 4.0 innovations, enabling more efficiency and machine advancements. These professionals rely on Interface for the accuracy and quality of our solutions, the depth of our product offerings, and our experienced team that can help our customers select the right solution for their next application or develop custom applications to fit unique needs.